But you might have, and it's very, very easy to imagine a landlord that is turning over 50,000 quid. So they might have 3 or 4 properties that average 1,200, 1,500 quid rent a month. That average rent in England is 1,400 quid these days, right? So a 3-property landlord is going to have to go through all of these hoops. But if they're a higher rate taxpayer or an additional rate taxpayer because they've got a job and they're investing money in property, right? It's very possible if they've got mortgages that at that £50,000 turnover, they're also not making any profit. So it does seem a bit of an insult to injury to get them to report the fact they're not making any profit 4 times a year instead of 1. And remember, this is the 24-25 tax year we're talking about. Ergo, it's already happened. We're nearly at the end of the 25-26 tax year, ending on the 5th of April, where the threshold is down to 30 grand, as you say. And then we'll be very quickly in the 26-27 year, where they're going to have to report if they turn over more than 20 grand. So it's basically nearly anybody who's got 1 property.
Yeah, and the government's decided that they don't want to essentially build out the infrastructure for doing this themselves. So like you say, you have to go and find your own software. You have to go and pay for that software. I mean, it's not especially expensive, is it? It's like 150 quid or something for the year. But again, for people who, you know, maybe they do have another job, they may be doing this as part-time. It's another, let's say, nail in the coffin for the mom and pop landlords, isn't it?